days. I also know, Honorable Speaker, the former principal of that university is also here, so I believe you'll also give Professor Kamara an opportunity, because I think she was among the first principals. While I was a businessman, actually, they took my hostel for like 5 years in Sokomo, next to the university. Welcome to Senate, enjoy yourselves, and when you go back, you greet our people, but work hard and get disciplined, and you'll be great people in this country. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I donate 2 minutes to the former principal.
Okay, Honorable Deputy Speaker Emeritus, Senator Professor Kamar.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, for giving me the 2 minutes to welcome students from University of Eldoret, a university I have associated myself with for many years, from when I was principal, 97-2002. And currently, Mr. Speaker, in fact, I'm a founder chair of the endowment fund for these wonderful students. I want to welcome the students and to tell the students that there is no good result without hard work. To tell the students that their hard work will pay at the end of the day, that patience is the key, and diligence in your work will give us very productive Kenyans, because you are students today, and the future, in the near future, you are going to be professionals in this country. This country is looking for professionals who are ready to be competitive, not only within this country, but also outside the country. But more than that, people who are honest, people who are accountable, and people who are transparent in the work that they are doing. And you see us here in the Senate, since you have come for a learning opportunity in the Senate, we also went through what you are going through. All these senators have been through universities, and because they were able to groom themselves well, they're able to be who they are today. I want to wish you well and to encourage you to groom yourselves to be anything. You can be a professor today, tomorrow you are a minister, the next day you are a speaker. We are telling you that the future is bright, but it belongs to the diligent, it belongs to the brilliant, it belongs to those who are willing to use wisdom. On behalf of this Senate, I join my speaker in wishing you all the best. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you,